Today we are working on Excel lesson 4, formatting the worksheet. The first lesson, formatting numbers and decimal digits. So first thing it says, now format some of the cells containing numbers. Select the cell range B19 to B22. So B19 to B22, we're going to highlight those. On the Home tab of the number group, click the arrow for number format. Show you what these are. You have accounting number format, you have percent style, you have comma style, increased decimal, decreased decimal, and here's your number format. So click that arrow. A list appears showing the most commonly used numeric formats for a cell. Below the title of each numeric format, Excel displays the number for the selected cell, or the top left cell if you select a range using that format. For example, the value of 3298 in cell B18 displays as 3298.00 under the number format, and it's got a dollar sign under the currency one, so you can see that it shows you what it's going to display when you click on it. So click number on the list, and you can see that this is what it's supposed to look like. The same as this. Excel has applied a uniform format, 2 decimal digits to all of those numbers. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select B19 to B22 again, if necessary. Then on the Home tab, the number group, click the dialog box launcher. Anytime you hear dialog box launcher, it's going to be this little square. So click that and it opens up this format cell. Dialog box. The category is already selected. The numbers which on, and you see 2 decimal places are what's specified right here. You only need to add the comma separator. So turn on the use 1000 separator checkbox right here, and then click OK. You can see that these numbers now have commas. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Now try the currency format. Select cell B19. On the Home tab of the number group, click the arrow for the number format and click currency. You can see that it put a dollar sign there. Select cell B22. Change this number format to currency as well. So click the arrow, click currency. Alright, mark as answered. Go to the next one. Using the ribbon, you can also quickly change the number of digits appearing after the decimal point. With B22 still selected on the Home tab, in the number group, click decrease decimal twice. So I showed you this before. There's your increase, there's your decrease. So click that twice. And you can see that it removed all the decimal place, the digits. Notice that Excel has rounded the number up. You can also increase the number of decimal digits. On the Home tab of the number group, click increase decimal twice to show those digits again. Hint, you can also right click and then increase decimal or decrease decimal. So if you right clicked right there, you can see that it opened up, and you could do it right here. Same thing, increase, decrease. When in doubt, right click. Go to the next one. You can also format cells containing data values. So select cell B6. On the Home tab of the number group, click the arrow for number format and then click long date. The long date is much too wide for this cell. So anytime you see these bunches of hashtags, it's not an error. What it means is things are too large to fit in there. So on the Quick Access toolbar, click the Undo button. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. The cell containing the phone number is also numeric, but a special format needs to be applied. Select cell B4. On the Home tab in the number group, click the dialog box launcher. On the number tab, click Special in the category list. Right down here, click Special. Click Phone Number. And then click OK. The customer's phone number now appears correctly formatted. You can see that it's got an area code and then the number. So mark that as answered and submit. And 6 green arrows. So this completes formatting numbers and decimal digits.